Meet Pandesma robusta, a beautiful nocturnal moth from the family Erebus. These moths are usually active at night, attracted to lights, and often go unnoticed during the day. But today, we had a rare opportunity to observe one up close. Here, we can see its long feathery antenna moving, an essential sensory tool for moths. They use their antenna to detect chemical signals in the air, helping them find food, mates, and avoid danger. If you look closely, you can see its compound eyes, which are adapted for low light vision. The view from below also reveals its soft fuzzy body, an adaptation that helps it retain warmth during cool nights. To take a closer look before release, we carefully placed it inside a glass. Moths are delicate creatures, so handling them gently is crucial. Their wings are covered in tiny scales, which can be easily damaged if touched. From the side, we can see how the moth adjusts itself inside the glass. Watch as it starts vibrating its wings. This is a behavior often seen before flight. Moths warm up their flight muscles by rapidly fluttering their wings, preparing for a quick takeoff when they sense an opportunity. We use a simple trick to ensure a safe release, placing a piece of paper under the glass. This allows the moth to walk onto the surface naturally, without any stress. Moths, unlike butterflies, have a more robust and fuzzy body, which helps them stay warm during their nighttime adventures. Now outside, the moth rests on the paper before gently climbing on to the hand. Many moth species, including this one, rely on camouflage to protect themselves from predators. Their wing patterns often mimic tree bark or dried leaves, helping them blend into their surroundings. As it flaps its wings, it seems to be gathering energy for its flight back into the night. And there it goes, free again.